Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright Explorers make us proud. Bright Explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star. Learning, growing every day. Come and join us, hip hooray!
A is for, and A is for apple.
Look here, the ant is eating the juicy red apple.
B is for, baby B is for ball.
The baby happily bounced the ball.
C is for cat. C is for car.
The cat is sitting on top of the car, enjoying the warm sun.
D is for dog. D is for dots.
The dog had a collar covered in colourful dots.
E is for elephant. E is for eyes.
The elephant opened its eyes as it looked for food.
F is for fish. F is for frog.
The fish swam past a resting frog in the pond.
G is for goat. G is for grass.
The goat munched on fresh green grass in the meadow.
H is for hat. H is for horse.
The hat is on the horse as it galloped across the field.
I is for insects. I is for ice cream.
A group of insects landed on my melting ice cream cone.
J is for juice. J is for jam.
The girl spread jam on her toast and drank fresh juice for breakfast.
K is for king. K is for key.
The king used a golden key to open the treasure chest.
L is for lion. L is for leopard.
The lion and the leopard rested under a shady tree.
M is for monkey. M is for mango.
The monkey jumped from tree to tree holding a ripe mango.
N is for nut. N is for net.
The squirrel hid a nut inside a fishing net.
O is for orange. O is for olives.
The girl enjoyed the juicy orange with salty olives.
P is for pig. P is for pool.
The pig splashed around in the cool pool on a hot day.
Q is for queen. Q is for quilt.
The queen wrapped herself in a warm quilt on the bed. R is for rabbit. R is for rat. The rabbit hopped quickly while the rat scurried behind it. S is for star. S is for sun. The star twinkled brightly in the night sky while the sun shone during the day. T is for television. T is for table. The television was placed on a wooden table in the living room. U is for Uncle. U is for umbrella. My uncle took out his umbrella when it started to rain. V is for vase. The van is decorated with a beautiful flower vase inside. W is for window. W is for watch. My watch is placed by the window. X is for X-ray. X is for X-ray fish. The doctor showed me an X-ray of an X-ray fish's bones. I is for yellow. Y is for yarn. The yellow ball of yarn rolled across the floor. Z is for zebra. Z is for zoo. The zebra at the zoo had bold black and white stripes. Great job, kids. Now we know our ABCs. Keep learning.
Hey there, friends, come along with me. It's time to learn and have fun. You'll see. We'll play, explore, and laugh out loud. Bright Explorers make us proud. Bright Explorers, let's go far, shining bright like a shooting star.